Hi everyone, welcome back to Bright Learners. Today, we're going to learn 50 daily English sentences to speak in real life. Are you ready? Let's get this day started.
Good morning! Did you sleep well?
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
I need my morning coffee to wake me up.
I need my morning coffee to wake me up.
It's a beautiful day today.
It's a beautiful day today.
I'm running a bit late this morning.
I'm running a bit late this morning.
What's your plan for the day?
What's your plan for the day?
Come on, let's get the day started.
Come on, let's get the day started.
Don't forget to grab your keys.
Don't forget to grab your keys.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Oh, I'm still a bit sleepy.
I'm still a bit sleepy.
Time to head out.
Time to head out.
I have a lot on my plate today.
I have a lot on my plate today.
Let's catch up later.
Let's catch up later.
Could you do me a favor?
Could you do me a favor?
I'll get back to you in a minute.
I'll get back to you in a minute.
Let's get down to business.
Let's get down to business.
I'm almost done.
I'm almost done.
Take your time, no rush.
Take your time. No rush.
That makes sense to me.
That makes sense to me.
Let me double check that for you.
Let me double check that for you.
I need a short break.
I need a short break.
How's it going?
How's it going?
Long time no see!
Long time no see.
What have you been up to lately?
What have you been up to lately?
Sounds like fun. Count me in.
Sounds like fun. Count me in.
What are you up to this weekend?
What are you up to this weekend?
Are you free tonight?
Are you free tonight?
Let's hang out sometime.
Let's hang out sometime.
I'm so happy for you.
I'm so happy for you.
Thanks for inviting me.
Thanks for inviting me.
Keep in touch.
Keep in touch.
What's for dinner?
What's for dinner?
I'm starving.
I'm starving.
I'm craving something sweet.
I'm craving something sweet.
This tastes amazing.
This tastes amazing.
Can we get the check, please?
Can we get the check, please?
Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards?
I'm just looking around, thanks.
I'm just looking around, thanks.
Is this on sale?
Is this on sale?
Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
It's my treat today.
It's my treat today.
I'm finally home.
I'm finally home.
What a long day.
What a long day.
I'm going to order takeout tonight.
I'm going to order takeout tonight.
I just want to binge watch some shows.
I just want to binge watch some shows.
I'm heading to bed now.
I'm heading to bed now.
I'm exhausted. I need to crash.
I'm exhausted. I need to crash.
Don't stay up too late.
Don't stay up too late.
Sleep tight.
Sleep tight.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
That's all for today. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to speak these sentences every day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!